Is it cold?
Get in. It's refreshing.
I'm sure. I'm glad the sun came back actually. Cold, 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 cold. Okay, it's cold, but we can do this. We can do this. It's like half doggy paddling with only one hand. I try to get closer, but like I only have one hand to swim. Yeah. Struggle against the current. So close. Whoops! Nope, nope. Here we go. Away! We're on our way. You're trying to get to the waterfall from this angle. Okay. Hello, waterfall. Woo! Waterfall! Oh my gosh. I'm being pushed backwards. Are you going for it? You don't know. It's kind of scary from over here. Alright. Here we are. Here we go. I'm at least coming closer. Walk off right here. Great. Hey! Behind the waterfall is right there. I know, we're so close. Alright, Morgan says no. Morgan says maybe. Morgan says maybe. And I'm over here with the beast. Here we go. Okay. We're getting closer! Holy cow! I don't know if I want to go further. We're here! We're doing it! Hi! Yes! I need to bring like a towel, right? Yes! Waterfall! Waterfall! I don't know. We're just stuck now. Do we just like let go here? I probably just want to go back that way. Yeah. We did it. I've escaped from the path there. We just climbed up that. And now we are on top of the waterfall. It's very pretty up here. It is. Back in Tom Falls. Not quite as scary over here anymore. Are we all just jumping in? Yeah. Whee! And hello, Rob. Oh, I'm still going. Successful adventuring, everyone. Successful. Yay! Going to find snacks. Yummy, yummy treats.